Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to learn spoken English quickly? Then today's class is perfect for you. Because today I will teach you how to ask question in English. And I will also teach you how to answer that question very easily. So, let's start today's class. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Who is your friend? Who is your friend? John is my friend. John is my friend. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No, I can't. No, I can't. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What were you doing there? What were you doing there? I was buying vegetables. I was buying vegetables. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. No, I don't know him. No, I don't know him. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? No, I am not interested. No, I am not interested. What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? My friend's name is Akash. My friend's name is Akash. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I want to go to market. I want to go to market. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. No, I can't. No, I can't. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. When will you arrive? When will you arrive? I will arrive by tomorrow. I will arrive by tomorrow. When do you usually come home? When do you usually come home? Usually I come home by 10 pm. Usually I come home by 10 pm. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? This is Tom's bag. This is Tom's bag. Do you like me? Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Yes, I like you. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? This is my book. This is my book. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do speak English. Yes, I do speak English. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? I am coming from the office. I am coming from the office. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am very happy. Yes, I am very happy. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going for a morning walk. I am going for a morning walk. Are you there? Are you there? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, I am not. No, I am not. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Because I am upset. How do you go to market? How do you go to market? I go to market by bike. I go to market by bike. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes, I am with you. Yes, I am with you. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I am here for buying fish. I am here for buying fish. Whom do you want to see? Whom do you want to see? I want to meet Mr. Sen. I want to meet Mr. Sen. When will you go? When will you go? I will go by Sunday. I will go by Sunday. Why are you tired? Why are you tired? Because I had a lot of work. Because I had a lot of work. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? No, I am not interested. No, I am not interested. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading books. I am reading books. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I want to go to market. I want to go to market. Won't you come? Won't you come? No, I will not come. No, I will not come. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Won't you go? Won't you go? No, I will not go. No, I will not go. Why are you coming to my office? Why are you coming to my office? I have a meeting there. I have a meeting there. Have you done this before? Have you done this before? Yes, I have done this before. Yes, I have done this before. What's going on here? What's going on here? Nothing special. Nothing special. Why are you going to Delhi? Why are you going to Delhi? I have exam there. I have exam there. How do you go to office? How do you go to office? I go to office by train. I go to office by train. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do speak English. Yes, I do speak English. When will you come? When will you come? I will come on Tuesday. I will come on Tuesday. Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? Yes, I am angry with you. Yes, I am angry with you. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Because I am happy. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Because I am upset. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Because I have got bad marks in the exam. Because I have got bad marks in the exam. Hope this class will help you learn spoken English fast. Practice these questions and answer repeatedly. This will increase your confidence a lot, and you will learn to speak English in any situation. The only easy way to learn English is to practice it every day. It is almost impossible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.